Have you noticed how some people seem instantly attractive while others do not catch your attention in the same way? In today's video, we are going to dive into what makes some people more attractive than others and how you can tap into these qualities yourself. Yes, physical appearance do matter, but it is far from the whole picture. You could be the most good-looking person in the room, but if you do not carry good vibes, then you might not be as attractive as you think. So in this video, I'll go beyond looks and dress sense to uncover qualities that really draw people in. If you want to become genuinely attractive from the inside out, keep watching. Authenticity is incredibly attractive, and it all starts with knowing yourself deeply. When you're comfortable in your own skin and your flaws, you radiate magnetic energy that others can't ignore but admire. Many people chase perfection, but it is imperfections that make us human. It is those flaws that make us more approachable and real. There is this social psychological phenomenon called pratfall effect, which shows that making mistakes or owning your imperfections can actually make you more likable. People don't want to interact with someone who seems too perfect or put together all the time because it seems to be distant and hard to connect with. But when you're open about your quirks, your mistakes, and things that make you unique, people feel comfortable around you. They see that you are a human, and it helps to create deeper connection. So embrace your authenticity. When you stop trying someone you're not, you naturally become someone others are drawn to. There is nothing more attractive than someone who values their time and energy and is very intentional about how they use it. When you respect your own time, others are naturally drawn to you because it shows that you have a direction and purpose in life. A person who values their energy lives a very fulfilling life that is filled with meaningful activities, goals, and passions, which makes their presence feel like a privilege to those around them. But it is very important to note that it is not about pretending to be busy or unavailable. True attractiveness lies in genuinely pursuing things that light you up, whether that's personal goals or simply enjoying life with purpose. When you prioritize what matters to you, you naturally radiate this confident and inspiring energy that others find hard to resist. There is a reason why everyone strives to be confident, because confidence has the power to elevate your attractiveness. Confidence reflects self-trust, and that is magnetic to others. True confidence is not about being loud or a center of attention. It is often a subtle form of communication that shows through your words, body language, and how you carry yourself. Confidence is not about seeking external validation. Rather, it comes from within, through clarity, self-awareness, and the trust that you have built in yourself. When you know your worth and believe in your abilities, it shows. You walk into the room with quiet assurance and calm energy that speaks louder than any loud boast or flashy display could. It is not about showing off, but rather owning who you are. Confidence also grows from taking risks and embracing discomfort. It strengthens when you face challenges head on and trust yourself to handle whatever comes your way. As you continue to prove yourself that you can navigate life's ups and downs, your confidence becomes more solid, making you even more attractive to others. Everybody finds happy people very attractive. Personally, I have found myself pulling away from unhappy or negative people and instead feeling drawn towards people those who have this happy-go-lucky kind of a mindset. On a basic psychological level, we human beings naturally gravitate toward people or situations that make us feel happy. Happy people are generally fun to be around, which satisfies our need for connection and joy. Of course, this does not mean ignoring your friends, those who are going through tough times. Being there to support them is important. But in general, happiness has a magnetic quality that reflects our inner state of contentment. And that happiness does not come from external situations or people. It comes from within. You can achieve a lot of success and still feel unfulfilled if you are looking for happiness outside yourself. Genuine happiness comes from within, and it often stems from an optimistic mindset, a perspective that sees challenges as opportunities and focuses on gratitude rather than lack. Happy people does not need constant validation or perfect situations to enjoy life. they carry joy with them. This inner happiness does not only makes you more attractive, but it also creates a positive ripple effect on those around you. When you cultivate joy and contentment from within, others are naturally drawn to you and your happiness becomes infectious. In a world filled with people who have countless opinions and reasons to defend them at all costs, nothing makes you more attractive than your ability and patience to truly listen to others. In a conversation, people are eager to share their thoughts, but very few genuinely listen. When you give someone your full attention, you signal to them that they are valued, which creates a deeper connection with them. Listening is not just hearing words, it's about understanding, empathizing, and also offering a space where others feel safe to express themselves. It requires patience, focus, and the ability to stay present in the moment, which not only makes you a good listener, but is also appealing to others. Your ability to listen to others with an open mind shows openness to others' ideas and experiences. Being a good listener is also a sign of emotional intelligence. It demonstrates that you can step outside of yourself and also appreciate someone else's perspective. People are naturally drawn to someone who makes them feel seen and heard. One of the most attractive things you can do is control your emotions. In a world that can feel overwhelming, being emotionally stable really stands out. People, those who can stay calm even in stressful situations, often make others feel safe and comfortable around them. Now, this does not mean that you ignore or hide your emotions, but rather handle them in a healthy way. When you control your reactions, it shows that you have control over yourself. This self-control is something that others admire because it gives off the feeling that you can handle tough situations. It is very easy to react impulsively in the heat of the moment, but when you stay cool, it shows your strength and maturity. People are naturally drawn to someone who can stay calm and handle situations calmly, instead of someone who can get upset easily or make situations even worse. It is not about telling jokes or being a comedian. It is about being able to laugh at life, not taking yourself too seriously, and sharing those light-hearted moments with others. A good sense of humor often reflects a positive outlook on life. Being able to laugh at yourself is also a sign of confidence because it shows that you really don't mind poking fun at your own quirks. People are naturally drawn to someone who can laugh and can also make others laugh because it creates a very fun and positive energy. So don't be afraid to show your playful side, whether it is telling a funny story or just having a genuine laugh with others. It truly elevates your attractiveness. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what qualities you find in others most attractive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.